Hate getting up in the morning, hate having to eat. You may not believe it, but you can have a good, healthy, and delicious meal with practically cleanup. They saith we, morning times are busy. When it comes to a balanced breakfast preparation, lunch packing, and running to work is the usual task of the back burner. But skipping it, I'll be costing them low energy levels, lack of concentration, and the too frequent midday crashes. You would only have to dream about it. You'll rise in the morning, put a few ingredients in the pan, and within 20 minutes you have a hot and comforting plate on the table, and the plate has hardly been washed. You will not leave, because you will find out about 6 one-pan breakfasts, which is healthy, fast, and will definitely make your mornings to be relaxing, healthy, and devoid of stress. Sheet pan wonders, savory, and satisfying. Firstly, the final plate pan breakfast bake. It is healthy, tasty, and ideal as far as feeding the entire family or even preparing the entire week is concerned. Prepare a big baking dish with some pieces of diced potatoes, turkey sausage, bell peppers, and onions. Sprinkle it with some salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Pour olive oil on it and roast it with a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit and requires approximately 20 minutes. However, the moment the vegetables have caramelized, mix a bunch of eggs on the top and put the pan back into the cooker to cook another 5 minutes. And there you have a whole protein breakfast that will see you through the whole morning. One of the fast cooking suggestions that I will provide below would be to prepare your vegetables and meat the previous. Roll, grill, and drive in the morning. Want to make it vegetarian? Replace the sausage with chickpeas or tofu. Prefer a little spice? Add jalapenos or chili flakes. It is not breakfast, it is everything you need all through your working week. The sweet side of simplicity. In case you are having a sweet tooth, but you do not want to enter the wrong side, then you have to cook this next one, pure gold berry baked oatmeal. In a mixing bowl, combine the rolled oats, almond milk, eggs, and little honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. And any of your favorite berries, blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. Put it in a dish prepared and sprinkle it with chopped nuts, and bake it around 25 minutes to have it hard and golden. It is naturally sweet, rich in fiber and antioxidant-rich meal. The oats will provide you with a long-lasting energy. The berries will keep your cells safe, and the nuts will provide food to your brain with those healthy fats. And here in the most part, it is meal prep friendly. On Sunday, put one big pan ready and cut in squares and place in the fridge. You will take a grab-and-go breakfast, which is to last through the entire week. It takes a few seconds on the microwave, and the breakfast is ready without any agitation. Sugar rush and merely lasting energy and concentration. On the Beyond the Basics, global inspirations. Are you in the mood to have a taste test? We can obtain more abroad than those beneath, and on one pan, without difficulty. First stop, Shakshuka. It is a traditional Middle East dish in which the eggs are poached in a rich tomato, onion, and pepper sauce. Add cumin and chili flakes and garlic to make it tasteful, and serve as a light morning pickup. Once the sauce has begun to boil, crack a few eggs directly into the pan and cover it. Cook the eggs until the whites have been just set. You may eat it on a slice of whole grain toast or those times when you are low carb. Eat some slices of fresh avocado. It is not only bold, it is also healthy and rich in vitamins to get your day going. Second, Mediterranean baked feta and tomato eggs. It is ugly easy. Cherry tomatoes, a small drizzle of olive oil, some sprinkling of oregano, and a skillet of feta cheese baked in the oven until soft. Take a couple of eggs and bake some more. The result? Saving money, tasting high-protein breakfast without leaving the house and going to a cafe. You enjoy a balanced and Mediterranean-flavored meal that would make you full and light at the same time. You can serve it with spinach or arugula. Your morning revolutionized. All that you need is to imagine how it would be to wake up without rushing in the mornings. It would be better than waking up to revive. With something good and easy in the morning, everything becomes easy to do. No rush, no missing breakfast, no grabbing that tasty muffin at 10 a.m., one pan, 20 minutes. And how you are so different in the manner you feel. This week you are thus challenged to consume one of these recipes, the sheet pan bake and the power up, or the berry oatmeal and something sweet. Behold your one-pan favorite, therefore. Make sure to subscribe to ThriveFitUSA to get even more time-saving and healthy living. All of which were created by the busy people, including yourself. Good morning does not begin with whatever you are eating. It begins with how you treat yourself. And there is one pan out of that decision.